you are looking for a way to increase your income in addition to your full-time job, here are 10 side hustles that you can start in 2023. For most of these side hustles, you will only need an internet connection and a computer or mobile phone. So let's dive into it. Content writing is a great side hustle for someone who enjoys writing and wants to earn extra income. The goal is to solve problems for businesses or individuals. You can write blogs, product descriptions, social media posts, email newsletters, video scripts, YouTube video descriptions and more. If you don't know how to start, you can offer your help on websites like Fiverr or Upwork. Web developer. This side hustle is for people who like to work on PC. This side hustle is about creating websites for companies or individuals. To be successful in this side hustle, you will need to have programming and graphic design skills. This side hustle is not for everyone, but it is a great side hustle for anyone who likes to code and wants to make some additional money. Flipping items. Buying and reselling items for profit. Find underpriced items, buy them and then sell them for higher price. You can search for clothing, shoes, electronics and everything else you think is underpriced. To be successful, you have to study the value of items to determine if it is worth for you to resell them. This side hustle is great because everyone can do it, no matter how old they are. Great side hustle for extra income. Print on demand. Create and sell custom product. You won't need to manage the inventory of your products, printing or shipping. Design a product such as a t-shirt, hoodie, mug and more. The company will take care of the rest. You can use platforms like Printful and Teespring. Create the best design, promote your products and get an income. Online courses. Creating and selling educational content through an online platform. These days, online courses are very popular, so this is a great opportunity to start. If you have a topic about which you have knowledge and passion, you can do an online course about it. For example, if you know how to grow a YouTube channel, you can make an online course about growing a YouTube channel. It is important to plan your course, create content, publish it and offer it for money. If you are very good at something, you can monetize your knowledge and generate income. This side hustle can generate so much money. YouTube automation is getting more popular because of the AI platforms that help you with video editing, writing scripts, voiceovers, making thumbnails and everything else around making YouTube videos. In this side hustle, you need strategies to automate your YouTube channel. This side hustle doesn't require a lot of your time. You can monetize your channel and get potential income. This side hustle you can do with AI, which I mentioned, or you can hire people to do it for you. You can find video editors, copywriters and thumbnail designers on Fiverr. Or you can use AI, for example, vidIQ for keywords, ChatGPT for script and Pictory for video creation. With a good strategy, you can generate thousands of dollars every month. Affiliate marketing is a side hustle where you promote products or services. The most popular is to promote links on social media. If you have a big following on Instagram, YouTube or TikTok, this is probably the best way to get money for your content. Choose an affiliate marketing program that your audience will appreciate. Give them discounts through links or promo codes. Affiliate marketing is a very good side hustle, but mostly for people who create valuable content and have a big social media following. Etsy seller. Create and sell handmade products, digital products and templates. Most people are selling their graphic designs, digital products, templates and courses. You can design, for example, mugs, quotes, stickers and anything else you can think of. It is important to create your own online shop. Choose a product niche, create and list your products. Promote your products with ads or social media. Etsy is a side hustle for many people. It is another great way to get income. Social media management. If you have excellent communication skills, understand social media platforms and have the ability to develop great content, this side hustle is the best option for you. You will help businesses and individuals make a strong online presence and achieve their goals with the best social media strategies. The most important tasks you must complete are scheduling and publishing interesting content, communicating with your audience and monitoring statistics. A graphic designer is another side hustle that requires skill. You can create logos, ads, social media graphics, website designs, YouTube banners, thumbnails and more. You will need to level up your graphic skills, learn about graphics and try to make the best graphic designs. If you don't have graphic skills, you can learn them, for example, from YouTube videos. You can offer your graphic skills on platforms like Fiverr, where you can help people with YouTube banners, website designs and anything else that will solve their problems. As a graphic designer, you need to build a reputation with your high quality designs. So that's all for this side hustle video. If you have any questions, write them down below. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you again very soon.